Not having your eyesight for the last 2 years was very difficult for me. And making this decision has really changed my life.
Aw, Icky. Aw.
Are you really speaking to
For the past 2 years, I've had issues with my eyes. So it was onset cataracts, and my doctor said that I needed the procedure. And so I thought very hard on it when I was ready for the surgery. And so I decided that it was this year because I was having difficulty seeing. Even though I live in Hawaii, I decided to use Coastal Vision because of all their new technology that I've heard of. I heard that Dr. Tran is one of the best surgeons to have cataract surgery, and he did my surgery, so I'm very happy with it. Well, the decision to get cataract surgery came pretty quickly because the past 2 years I've been having issues with my eyes, and it was time to get them done. And I came to Coastal Vision, and just not having to wear my glasses and be able to wear in 2020 to see 2020 now is fantastic. Because once you don't have your eyesight, which the past 2 years was very difficult, that having the freedom to see clearly and then coming here to Coastal Vision was the best decision I made.